take a shuttle bus. Anyway, would be for free, but you would have to take a shuttle bus that will take you to the terminal, and then you are in the terminal. So, and this information, unfortunately, we didn't know the night before. We don't know now when we're filming this for the arrival in Rio de Janeiro the next day. We will only know upon arrival. So, once we arrive, we'll make that announcement as part of the clearance announcement that we make every morning when we arrive into the ports. So, pay attention to the announcement. If not, we'll be there. As we always say, we're going to have a plethora of officers directing you. This is Celebrity Cruises. This is not another company where we just arrive and good luck finding your way off the ship. No, we'll be there to direct you. But yes, again, depending on which berth we're docked at, you could either walk straight to the terminal, or you're going to have to take a shuttle bus that will still be for free to get to the terminal. This information only upon arrival that we will know. So there you go. Once you are in Rio, just be mindful of so many important things. One of those is what you eat, what you drink only bottled water, eat the food in the good places, just stay healthy, wash your hands before eating anything when you're off the ship, wash your hands when you come back to the ship, be mindful of staying healthy, and so we can keep this voyage as healthy as it has been. Only eat in the right places, in the good places, and don't drink iced water, just drink bottled water. Don't drink water from the taps or anything like that. Just make sure that you stay healthy, and common sense to prevail at all times. In regards to common sense, also common sense in regards to when you're walking in the streets of Rio de Janeiro, make sure that you don't carry a lot of jewelry, make sure that you don't carry a big watch, that anything that calls the attention of the people there. Make sure that you know, this is just common sense when you visit a city like Rio de Janeiro. So you don't call the attention of anyone. Also, don't be out there looking at your cell phone, walking in the middle of the street again. Somebody could just grab that cell phone and run away. We don't want that to happen to you. Be mindful of the pickpocketers that are in the city. Carry the things in your front pockets as opposed to the back pockets, and only carry what you need. You don't need so many credit cards and so many things in the big wallets. Only carry what you need. And I think we've covered it all in the last days. We've given you so much information, whether it's me, Mickey Live, or the guest relations manager Rodrigo, or the guest relations team. I think we really did a good job at preventing any problems from happening in the upcoming ports of call. Rio de Janeiro, encourage you to take one of our excursions, visit the Sugar Loaf, visit the Christ Redeemer, the monument of Christ, looking over the mountain. It's just amazing. And go to Copacabana, Ipanema, enjoy the day, have fun. I'm gonna love myself the day. I'm gonna love the day today, Rio de Janeiro. I'll tell you later what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna be climbing a mountain, and it's gonna be phenomenal. So I can't wait to tell you all about it tomorrow or tonight when you come back. 5:30 p.m. is all aboard, but again, allow yourself a lot of time to come back to the ship, at least 2 hours. Because the traffic could be absolutely crazy, especially in the hours of the afternoon when you have to be back on board. 5:30 p.m. is all about wherever you are in the city. If it is 3:30, make sure you're starting to come back to the ship. 5:30 p.m. is when you have to be back. And when you're back on board, what a great day we have in regards to the shows and the entertainment. 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, my good friend Doc Cameron, performing in the Eclipse Theater, is a violinist like no other. He's a rock star. He's a genius of music. Accompanied, of course, by the Eclipse Orchestra. 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, what a show with Doc Cameron. And then we've got more entertainment and more parties happening around the ship. Check the daily program in the Sky Lounge, the discotheque, in the Quasar Lounge, and in the Grand Foyer. You choose to do as much or as little as you want, but today is all about Rio de Janeiro. Enjoy. Thank you for watching Channel 2, and we hope you have an awesome day in one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Bye for now.
Done.